it just never gets old. Like, it just never gets old. Never. I can watch this like all day and it never gets old. So your E46 is dead. What you gonna do? Okay, because I swear I see everybody do this foolishness with their BMW and they don't know what the hell they're doing. They do. Okay, let me show you what they do first when their BMW is dead. It's exactly what they do. They do this. They jumpstart their car from the back. No, do not do that. Listen, don't jumpstart your BMW E46 from the back. What you're gonna do, you're gonna reset the whole entire system when you jumpstart it from the back. All right, I'm telling you guys, you jumpstart this battery from the back, you're gonna reset the whole entire system, and you're gonna run into some problems later down the road. It may start the car, yes, because this is the source of power, but you will run into some electrical problems. Now I'm gonna show you the right way and how to do it, starting right now. Open the car. And it's kind of dirty. Don't you got that? Open your hood right here. That's your hood. Your latch. Open it. Pull this tab. Gotta pull it up, and then here you go. Next, open up your positive terminal cap right here. It should be like a press. There we go. That's your positive. Okay. Now let's get the jumper cables. All right. So now for the demonstration, I have my jump pack right here. Link in the description. I don't know the name. My eyes look kind of tired, but you know, that's not really tired. That's not really crust. That's actually water. It was raining, and yeah. But anyways, so essentially, I'm just gonna show you where to actually put the jumper cable locations at, because I swear you guys think you guys know how to do this, but it's okay. So let me just put it back to the video. All right. So basically, positive. Make sure that if you're using the jumper pack, make sure that it's off before you put it on to your car. And then your ground, you just put it on any metal piece. So I would put it here, and you should see sparks. But the battery pack is off, so you will see no sparks. Like if I put it on now, there's no sparks. But what there will be is proper connection right here. As you can see, I have proper connection on this pack, and that's how you jumpstart your car. You turn on your pack, and then you go into your car and you jumpstart it. Do not go to the back, because you're gonna restart the system and the computer, and you're gonna run into some electrical problems later on the road. I used to know that misconception, but this is the proper way. Positive to positive. Ground that in the ground on any metal piece. I would recommend just put it right here. I just put it right there. All right, and that should be that is the right way. And hopefully this solve you guys' issue. If your car is, you know, in the lockdown state, that's what they call it, when the car is locked down, when there's no power going to the car. And simply right here, positive, negative, you should be straight. Now that you know how to jumpstart your car the proper way, and by your car I mean the BMW E46 the proper way, just do it, guys. Because if you keep, you know, as I said, I'm gonna say it again, if you keep jumpstarting your car from the back, your ECU is gonna get messed up and other things. And trust me, you just don't want to do it. I already actually made that mistake, and I actually have the dead ECU like right there. It makes no sense, right? But yeah, just don't do it. You would run into some electrical problems that you don't even know is gonna happen, because BMWs, they're cool cars, except, you know, they're German. A lot of people who has BMWs understand what I just said right there. But anyways, thanks for watching this video. Leave anything you guys want me to make in the comment section. Like, comment, and subscribe. And thanks for watching D's Way.